got, I get in touch with people I know and they'll meet with me from my previous positions I've had. I'm really struggling to meet with people that don't know me through majority of it is phone calls.
Yep.
I'm fortunate that I can sometimes make in-person calls, but just you and I both know I can accomplish a lot more on the phone.
100%.
Yeah. So I feel like I've got the first part down, stating who I am, and then how we're connected. But I really struggle with that third part, especially whether they answer the phone or they don't answer the phone. And I don't know if I feel comfortable saying, I wanted to get your opinion on something, which I know you say works really well, but I don't really know if I'm feeling the love on that one.
Perfect. That's fine. So a couple things. Well, first thing I want you to do when you get some time, I want you to go back through course 2, ECCP, Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting. There's a number of hooks. The opinion one is in there. Okay?
Yeah.
In logistics, here's the place where everybody screws up. They never say how you're connected, so it sounds like a sales call, and they say something like, if we've got 5 minutes, we'd love to walk you through our 3PL or our this or that, or how we can make your lanes more efficient or whatever it is. They just go right into a sales pitch. That's gross. Right. We're not doing that. So we're going to say who we are, how we're connected, okay? And then, there's something that every freight manager is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Have an insight, right? There's a little secret that the top produce shippers are kind of sharing amongst themselves. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. This is where you will start to get confident, because if you have something that's valuable, like, for example, and I'm still dying to know what it is, Joel is calling restaurants. There's something going on in the news. I don't watch it, but I know that there's a news story about the big, beautiful bill, right? So Joel has figured out how this big, beautiful bill, there's some moving pieces in there that are affecting people that own restaurants, and I believe, if I remember correctly, their taxes. I want you to have something like that, Kelly, where it's helpful for them whether they do business with you or not. But make sure that the insight that you're giving is related to what you do, right? And it's not just gossip, right? So I want you to go back through that course and see if you can reverse engineer an insight, because it's in that course, reverse engineering an insight. The last one on the default that I want to give you right now that you can start with right after this conversation is this bad boy. The raise your hand, right? Who you are, how you're connected. Yeah, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I literally live and breathe 3PL, or I literally live and breathe lane management, right? Anything you guys need, even if it's just to bounce an idea off of somebody or get a second opinion, deal me in, right? Get some reps in making those calls, because nobody will ever beat you up on those calls. Now, here's the thing you have to remember. 90+% of these are going to be what? Voicemails, right? So you're just going to leave that voicemail over and over again. Try that, but go through course 2 one more time, because I want you to have at least one really helpful insight, right?
Okay.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun, and you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.